Thank you for your opportunity. I am Professor Dr. Dingse Pandiangan, MSc, from Department of Biology of Samratulangi University, Indonesia, North Sulawesi Utara. My title of the research is Effectiveness of Sambote Extract on Decreasing Blood Glucose Levels of Male White Rat, Ratus novergicus, induced with sucrose. My article in EJSR Volume 7, Issues 11, November 2089. Introduction from the traditional medicinal plant, Sambote or Pasote, is not general known. Minahasa tribe habits that tend to eat a lot of meat. Of course, this plant is a cholesterol-lowering solution, the main cause of the heart disease. It needs to be developed into an herbal medicine for diabetes and cholesterol, which is a trigger for heart disease. This is the picture of the Sambote or Pasote in Manado, Indonesia bahasa, and Sambote and or Pasote. Minahasa Regency, from direct observation, has a diversity of plants used as medicine. Many people in Minahasa, North Sulawesi, Indonesia, have diabetes mellitus. According to them, the pain of glucose and cholesterol recover after using it regularly. This has become their habit and has been treated around their homes. This is the picture and in this Sambote, Indonesia. The purpose of research to study was to determine how much blood glucose level decreased from Sambote or Pasote, which would be promoted as a heart drug. The benefit that can be obtained from this research are as effort to preserve an excellent medicinal knowledge of the Minahasa tribe people for national or international health development. This is the picture of the Sambote in full, and this is as the dried sample. And then the research method. This research was conducted in February to July 2019, 2018 at the Pharmacology Laboratory of FNIPE Samratulangi University. This is the container, right in the container, and this is the sample of the extract in this bottle. And this is in the environment of the Pasote growth, and this is the picture of the treatment, the Sambote. And the research method in every 4 steps mainly. And the first step 1 is plant collection or sampling. The complete collection of plant, this is the picture, is carried out including roots, stem, leaf, flower, fruits, and seeds if all are present. And then the second step, extraction and maturation of sample. Extraction, this is a picture of the extraction. Sambote leaf simplicia using 95% ethanol. Remaceration method, namely Sambote leaf that had been sifted. And then the third step, induction by sucrose and extract treatment. This is the step. The rats were divided into 3 groups. Sucrose induced rat and bilibenzolamide as a control positive. Aqueous is the control negative. The fourth or the final step is extract effect test on the decreasing red blood glucose level. The reds is from the vein is the blood sample glucose level were measured by gluconometer auto check multi monitoring system. This is the picture. The result of the discussion of the result is the result growth on the white male winster rat after treatment of the Sambuta extract. This is the growth, especially for the treatment of the high fat. This is the body weight before treatment. This is after induction, body weight after induction in gram, and this is the treatment of the measuring of body weight after in the date of about 4 months, and this is the average of the body weight. The change of rat in the rat body weight during the process in conducting in research. Not some only two. This is one group. 5 is teeth rat, yeah, MT or teeth rat, and group 1 to 17 of rat is test disease. And the result and discussion of the growth pattern. This is the red line and induction, and blue line is the before treatment, and this the green line is the after treatment of extract Sambote. This is the pattern of the chain body weight growth mice 2 months after experimentation with varying time treatment. And in the bar like this, the graph of change of rights. This is the growth is relatively same and homogeneous from the growth of mice. And then figure graph of change in the blood glucose content of the white Vista rat, Aquades, control rats, sucrosa, rats given only sucrose, and CMC is rats given sucrose and solvent CMC, and glibenclamide is the sucrose and Sambote. This is extra treatment. Before treatment is the line of blue, bar blue, and induction bar red, and after extract is green bar. The highest blood glucose content in the CMC treatment after induction. This is after extract is lower glucose content. This is the content of blood glucose level, the data, Aquades, and the high the control negative, and which the glibenclamide after induction sucrose, glibenclamide given in the treatment, the lowest. This is the lowest of the glucose content. And then group of ratus ada baseline or control after glibenclamide drug, and this is the sucrose induction, the highest, and after extract, the content after being treated in the ethanol extract of Sambote sheet, the decline around 94.33 decline to 88.67, about decline about 5.66 milligram per deciliter. The blood glucose in milligram per deciliter. This is a conclusion of the research is the treatment of the Sambote ethanol extract decreased blood glucose level from the 94.33 milligram per deciliter to 88.67 milligram per deciliter, or decreased by 5.66 milligram per deciliter after 48 hours of application. Ethanol extract of the seed of Sambote or Pasote can reduce blood glucose level in white rat, and they recommended to use the constituent of herbal medicine for people with degenerative disease. Thank you very much for your attention.